Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we're super excited to announce that we just started selling Moto sport utility vehicles. This is a ZFORCE 800EX and it retails for $11,599. And these sport utility vehicles are really cool because they come with a ton of optional features included in the price. Whereas most other competitors will give you a base unit for about $3,000 more. This one has all the features of the base unit plus a bunch of extras that I'm going to talk about. Starting in the rear, comes with a full tow hitch, rear cargo net, comes with a roof, side mirrors, aluminum alloy wheels, also comes with a power steering standard, comes with a 3,000-pound winch. In addition, for the suspension, it has compression and rebound adjustable shocks. Also has two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, as well as locking differential. The inside of the cab is just amazing. Has sewn, stitched seats that you can see. Has an adjustable steering wheel. Has an adjustable grab bar for the passenger. Above the grab bar, you have a power outlet as well as the plug-in for the winch. Digital gauge package on it. This thing is loaded. Again, has an automotive paint, and just this thing's dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on it. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 pre-owned units and about 120 new units to go out and have some fun on. Let me show you, while he fires it up, I'm going to show you the LED lights. So it's got regular driving lights, and then you can see it comes with those additional LED lights. Also has aluminum front and rear bumpers. And as he takes off, I'll show you the tail. Got super bright LED brake lights on there. It's hard to see in the sun, but they work great. So anyway, come on down to Contra Costa Powersports and check it out.